should we look for now?
Now you must find something that makes a squeaky noise. Try looking in the bathroom.
OK. Look for something that makes a squeaky noise, George.
George has found a towel.
Towels don't squeak. Towels are very quiet. Oh. Squeaky, the rubber duck.